Composition works differently in Instagram Reels. So what should you adjust for? I'm going to show you in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a content creator and social media marketer for impact-driven organizations. If you want to learn how to work with me, please visit my website, wonderfulida.ca. When it comes to composition, there's a few things you want to consider. First of all, where you're positioned in the frame. So if you are too high up, it might cut off this part of your head, so it would just be to there, and the rest would be cut off when you view it just in your feed versus viewing it in Reels. You want to try to align yourself so that your eyes are no higher than on the line. So you can see on the grid, my eyes are right on the grid, so this would be a great place to position myself. This would be good if I'm doing a talking head. And what you also have to consider is, are you going to add text to this? So if I'm doing a talking head here, I still have room to add text. However, if I add text right here, it's gonna get all messed up with all this extra information that it adds to Instagram. So I suggest stepping back. If you step back, have your eyes a little higher, then you have more room up here. See, versus being closer, you have less room between your chin and where the info on Instagram is going to appear. So by stepping back, you can lift yourself up that way, or just let's rotate my camera. So by stepping back, I'm instantly giving myself more room to add text. So the more you move back, the more room you have for your text. So you can see, if I am further back like this, I probably want to tilt this down a little bit so that I can still have my eyes lined up with this line here. But it gives me this flexibility to add text here. I wouldn't want to stand in the middle, because if I stand in the middle and I'm talking and I'm doing whatever, text is not going to be able to be anywhere around here. If I want to add text, I'm just going to go to one side or the other side. And honestly, when you're trying to put together something and you have text, I would strongly suggest, rather than keeping the messier part of your shot empty, keep the cleaner part of your shot empty, because if it's like a cleaner background, your text is more likely to stand out. However, if you're not going to add any text, staying in the middle, lower here, that is ideal. You could still add some captions below. You could go a little bit lower and add some captions above, but it gives you flexibility, and you can still talk to the camera. The key for doing something like this is getting yourself a tripod that you can stand easily, that's at least high level. This one goes up a little bit more, just slightly above my eyes, and I can talk nicely to it. I can tilt down, and I have a nice shot here where I can feel confident delivering my message talking to camera. So really consider, are you going to use text? If you are, make room in your shot for that text, and try to avoid getting too close to the camera, having your face way too high up. This is like a really personal feel, but it's sometimes just too much. Backing it up a little bit allows the viewer to have some breathing room when they're talking to you, so they're not just in your face like this. They're as you would see them in real life talking to you. If you have any real questions you want me to answer, please leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video. Till next time, peace!